Welcome back to Haji Scholar. In today's video, I'm going to explain how you can use your old open door scholarship account from last year and start fresh for this year application. If you still have your previous account, don't worry. You don't need to make a new one. First, click on the Apply Now button. Once you click it, a new interface will appear. At the top, you will see two options, Sign Up and Login. Since you already created an account last year, simply select the Login option to continue. Enter your email and the password you used the last year when you register. If you have forgotten your password, don't worry. Just click on the Forgot Password option below and the Open Door Scholarship team will send you a new one. If you still remember your password, simply log in with your details and all of your previous year information will automatically appear in your account. After entering my email and password, you can see that all of my previous details have now appeared on the screen. As you can see, all of my details have appeared here, such as my name, email address, mobile number, citizenship, language, and the degree I applied for, like Bachelor, along with the subject area I selected. From this section, you can also make changes if needed. Now I am selecting my subject for the Bachelor degree. From this section, you can also choose the subject area you wish to apply for. Here I am selecting clinical medicine, but you can select whichever subject match your interest and future goals. After choosing your subject based on your interest, you will then move on the next options below. Here you will see some choices that you need to read carefully. The first option means that you want to transfer all the data from your previous application into this year application. If you click on this, then everything you submitted last year, your achievements, motivation letter, and details will automatically appear here. But if you want to make changes and enter everything new, then you should choose the second option, which keeps the application empty. After that, you will need to tick all the required boxes below. Once you have done that, simply click on the register button. As soon as you click register, your account for this year will be created. In my case, I selected the option to fill everything out myself, so nothing was transferred from last year. Now I will enter all the details again step by step according to this year requirements. From the general information section, you can edit or update your personal details. After that, move to the university section where you can select your preferred university up to 6 choices. Make sure to arrange them according to your preference. The rest of the information I have already explained in my previous video. If you face any difficulty with the university selection or any of the other sections, you can watch that video and your problem will be solved. In my next video, I will cover the motivation letter, so stay tuned and don't miss it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Haji Scholar and press the bell icon for the latest scholarship updates.